One of my colleagues was asking, how do you highlight a selected cell so that he can clearly see where his cursor is, even if the spreadsheet does not have focus? So this is how you do it. First, you're going to select the whole dataset table by pressing Ctrl A once like this, and then go Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, New Rules. Over here, you're going to select Use Formula, and this is the formula you'll be using. Once that's done, go to Format, and then make sure you are selecting Fill tab here like this, and then select some color that stands out from your spreadsheet. I'm going to select, say, red, go OK, and then OK one more time. At this point, you will have only one cell selected like this, and it's not moving at all. So to animate the cursor, go right click here on the sheet and go View Code, and this VBA text editor will appear. Make sure that your correct sheet is highlighted here on the left hand side of the tree, and then from this general here, you're going to pull down and select Worksheet. Over here, you're going to type Target.Calculate like that, and press Ctrl+S to save whatever you have edited here. And let's close the VBA editor, and now if you click anywhere on your spreadsheet, the highlight moves along with it. And even if you have another app on top of it, like for example, if I open a notepad like this, you can see that the cursor is still highlighted. And even if you drag in another app, maybe a browser like this, your cursor, wherever it is right now, is highlighted.